Hello, everyone. In this tutorial, you will learn how to enable email-based self-registration in Moodle. This feature allows users to create their own accounts and access your Moodle site with minimal administrator intervention. Let's get started. First, we need to enable the self-registration feature. In the navigation menu, click on Site Administration. Under the Plugins tab, click on Authentication, and then Manage Authentication. Find Email-based self-registration in the list and click the eye icon to enable it. In the Self-Registration drop-down menu, select Email-based self-registration. Scroll down and click on Save Changes. Now, let's test the self-registration process to ensure everything is working correctly. Log out of your administrator account. Go to the login page of your Moodle site. Click on Create New Account. And that's it. You've successfully enabled email-based self-registration in Moodle. This feature allows users to create their own accounts and access your Moodle site with minimal administrator intervention. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like, subscribe, and leave any questions or comments below. Thank you for watching, and happy teaching with Moodle.